Rihanna. Yeah, right. He wanna take control, but I'ma charge tonight. Fuck he thought. Dominatrix. Hiccups. But I'm telling you right now how I'm feeling. If I had a man or a woman, the way I'm feeling right now, I'll fuck some shit up in a good way. What's good, kings and queens, aliens, alieness, and my mystical mother? Shut your mouth, creatures. It's your girl, Storm. Yes, I have something on, so don't be trying to flag my video. I just got back not too long ago. I'm a little up, you know what I'm saying? Been drinking all freaking day. Get some light. I've been drinking all day. And now I got a mixed drink in here. Lemonade and Cavassier. My voice is leaving me. And today is the 2nd of October because it's 3 o'clock in the morning. But I just want you guys to know that I get my laptop charger Sunday. I ordered it yesterday. So I get my laptop charger Sunday. So I will be bringing reaction videos back. And I will be able to edit my videos because I've been doing my vlogs and stuff on my phone, and I'm blind and I don't have any glasses, so it's hard for me to kind of edit, but I just want everything to be raw, you know, and real. Oh my god, ew, I don't like that. I want everything to be raw and real, you get what I'm saying? Not too many cuts, not too many edits, but some things I want to show y'all that I'm creative when it comes to my editing. I'm still trying to figure out the system when it comes to it because I have iMovie on my Apple MacBook. So if you guys know any editing for videos, let me know in the comments below. I probably start the vlog off again tomorrow because we're supposed to be taking my daughter to the fair. So I guess I'll see you guys then because your girl is going to continue to be consistent. Why? Because I'm going to be great. Why? Because I don't need to have a couple channels to get to where I need to be. You know what I'm saying? I got to be me, and that's who I'm going to be until the day I die. Do you feel me? So if you vibing with me, I appreciate y'all, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. I came back outside to smoke me a blizzy. I just ate an edible. I'm still chewing it. Sorry, y'all. It was a nerd edible. Cause it's almost 5 o'clock in the morning, y'all. I have insomnia really bad, so I don't really sleep that much. So I ate me an edible, rolled me a blizzy, got me 2 shots in my cup, and hopefully I could just lay down because I have a long freaking day today because today is the next day. The motherfucking is about to be bright as hell outside, and I'm up like a fucking dope fiend. I have to laugh at myself, y'all. No, but for real. Y'all, I have clothes on YouTube, but I am wide the freak awake, and I just want to go to sleep. I'm tired. It's a bug on me, bitch. Don't be motherfucking disrespectful getting on me, bitch. You shouldn't even be on me, motherfucking little bug. It's a little too cold out here for you to be flying on me. Alright, y'all. I'll see y'all when the sun comes up. Okay, you guys seen me when I was outside. And now see me now. Right here by my paintings. You know when you be with your cousins at the cookout, hey, y'all go in a car to smoke, and then when you get out, you ask them, hey, bruh, I look high. My eyes red. yeah, I'm about to smoke the rest of it, and then I'm gonna let y'all watch me play Bobby, because I'm motherfucking zooted. I am zooted. You see these eyes? My eyes are already fucking chinky, but they're open. Believe me, they're open. You can see that they're open. Okay. Yeah, I don't talk shit about my walls. My walls are so fucking filthy, but let me tell you something. I don't know why my cousin, because he owns this, I don't know why he decided to paint these walls yellow. Like, yellow? Why? Why yellow? And it's not even a cute yellow. It's ugly as fuck. So, I know y'all seen in my last video when I was breaking down and shit like that. My walls were like, ugh, I'm so picky about certain things, but I'm a real person, you know what I'm saying? And I'm not gonna pretend like stuff is just all peaches and creams and I'm bougie and this and that. No. I'm not gonna pretend. I'm gonna tell y'all that these walls is ugly and they get dirty so fast. And we've been here so long that, man, look. So I've been thinking about painting it green because I like green. I like the color green. I like the color green, but it has to be like a lime green or something like that. I don't know. But I just want to paint it, even though we're not gonna be here that long. Speaking it into existence, I still want to paint it because I don't like this yellow, especially when I do my videos. I'm not feeling the yellow. You know what I'm saying, y'all? But if y'all have any ideas about what color will look good, don't say white because I don't want white. I'm a weirdo. I like bright colors, but not this yellow. No yellow. Yeah, I am. I don't have really good lighting in here. I gotta clean my ceiling fan also. I ain't even gonna lie. I ain't cleaned that motherfucker so goddamn long. It need to be cleaned though. I was just before I got on here, y'all. I was just talking about I want to move my room around. Sometimes I don't know when, but I'm gonna move it around because I want to clean this fan, and the fan, my bed is underneath the fan. But I want y'all to watch me play Bobby. And get me some new blinds too. Okay. I'm a gangster. Bruh, I fucking bopped it, you're lying. Like, what are you talking about out for? Y'all see me. You gotta have a bop it. You know, that's a classic. Especially when you get high, you need a bop it. Because I'm about to play it again. I'll see y'all later on in the afternoon or something. Because by the time I go to sleep, I'm probably not going to get up until the afternoon. But we got so much to do tomorrow. I'm going to have to. I probably won't go to sleep today. All right, love y'all. Y'all know I smoked the whole freaking blunt. I smoked a whole blunt and ate an edible. I'm so tired. Yes. I'm about to finally go to sleep, y'all. I just want y'all to see. Yeah, look at my fucking red. I don't even know what to do with myself. I'm so stuck. I mean, I know I need to go to sleep. Like, I can instantly go. But I just wanted y'all to know the process because I really didn't think that edible was going to kick in the way it did. But I'm so relaxed. So relaxed. I feel like if you having something, eat an edible. I mean, a good one. Because some people don't make good edibles. They stuff don't even get you high or making your body, like, it don't do nothing. It's like eating candy. That tastes like nasty ass fucking THC. Like, no. Alright, yeah.